What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the DeFi Guys channel. In this video, I actually want to give you guys a drip update. I know a bulk of the people that are subscribed here on the channel are drip people that are in drip or that are following drip network. And today I want to go over my speculation and what I think the future of drip network actually holds. So I've got one full account, and I'm working on my second account right here. As you guys can see, I've just been hydrating as frequently as possible. But I want to bring up something that Thomas G from Crypto Talk talked about last week. Big shout out to him for just being real. I mean, there's a lot of drip maxis out there. I'm one of them. There's a lot of influencers that are just always saying drip's going to the moon, drip's going to the moon. Just wait long enough. We're in a bear market. Look, everything's down. Which is true. There's some truth to that. Everything is down and drip will eventually go back up, but how high will it go? Will it reach all-time highs like it has before? It really has never been through a bear market like this. And I got to say, I do trust forex. I do trust the community. There's one problem though. You see the price of drip, you see it pumping up a little bit and then dipping right back down. So if we go over here to the swap feature, you can see the chart on the main DEX. We're kind of seeing, higher lows, I guess you could say. And this went up to 80%, then rejected back down, or 80 cents and rejected back down. Then went up to like 75, then down to like 60 cents. And now it's back up to right around 69 cents. And it gradually kind of is capitulating down as we're seeing it right now. I believe there will be a bottom and it will happen in the next few weeks. That's just my personal prediction, because I'm predicting that Bitcoin at the end of the month will hit right around 12K. It could potentially go down to 9, but I'm seeing based off of just, technical analysis, looking at other people that know more than me about this kind of stuff, that 12K would likely be the bottom for Bitcoin. When that happens, we're going to see also a bottom for drip amongst other altcoins as well. But the biggest problem, and this is why I'm giving a shout out to Crypto Talk, is the fact that if you look at all the holders, people just sitting on the sidelines, they're not using the obvious DEX here, they're not using the faucet, they're not depositing, they're not compounding. They've got drip sitting on the side, just waiting to dump this. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Well, this thing could pump to $1. You could have a few people go ahead and dump the price again. It could pump to $2 and then the price dumps back to $1. There's a lot of different things that can happen. They might be waiting just until this hits $5, $10, $20. But people need to actually be using the faucet for everyone to benefit from this protocol. Now, I understand that different folks have different strategies. Like, I completely get that. But when this is community driven and you have all these different holders in the community, I mean, if you look at this, this is quite a bit of drip that could be just dumped. And this could dump the price right now down to, 20 cents, 15 cents. So there needs to be some sort of utility added. Something needs to happen so people start putting this drip to work and have more incentive. This is my only really big concern. I know forex has a lot of things coming up, obviously like scratchies, amongst other things. I don't think just one specific addition is going to solve all of drip's problems. I think it'll help it a little bit. But, hopefully when the bull market is back, that we see enough bullish price action that people get FOMO for selling too early. So hopefully that happens. We'll see what happens for the future of drip. I will be buying drip at a specific point. It's not going to be now. I'm going to continue to wait on this. My first prediction was that drip was going to go right around to 80 cents. Now it's hanging out right around 69 cents. I see it potentially, from here, it could easily go down to 40 cents, 50 cents. It could even hit 30 cents just because I believe this bear market's going to last quite a bit more. I don't see that we're going to go bullish again until possibly mid to the end of this year. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. But you know, you guys do what you think is best for you. I'm just sitting here, I'm speculating. I'm not trying to obviously talk bad about drip or be negative about drip. I'm just trying to be realistic with you guys. So you let me know what you think is going to happen with the market. How long do you think we're going to be bearish for? What do you think the low of drip will be? Let me know in the comments. Looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. And obviously, I'm not going to throw any drip links in the description at this point right now, just based off of my own view of the market. But there are people, and I see it on my channel, there's a few people every day that unsubscribe because they got into drip and now drip's down. And of course, they blame the YouTuber. They blame, and I get it, like influencers have been given a bad name. Completely makes sense. But when people have not been through a bear market before, and of course they choose someone to blame because everything goes down, you know, up to 90%. I mean, look at where the top blue chip coins are at right now. I mean, everything is down. So people that have not been through a bear market are going to pick someone to blame, whether that's me or another, you know, influencer online. And of course, I know that comes with the territory, but then again, they're not educated enough to know that bear markets happen and then bull markets happen. And what happens to a lot of these people is they buy during the bull market, then they feel like they've gotten screwed over or they've invested at the top and they have no more money to invest when we're at the bottom. And so when we're bullish again, they're kind of right back where they started instead of simply DCAing, which is exactly what I do, is DCA. We don't know exactly where the bottom is going to be. That's why we could buy a little bit of drip here and there. In this specific case, though, I'm going to wait and see if it goes down lower. But at the end of the day, don't throw all your eggs in one basket and look at the chart. I mean, simply when you look at a chart and you see that something's nearing an all-time high, you don't want to be buying in. You want to be patient. And that's the hardest part for people, is they just want to FOMO into things. But crypto and investing in general requires a whole heck of a lot of patience. So guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Nonetheless, I hope this was valuable to you guys. And if you want to check out some of my top projects right now, trading bots are obviously super huge. You can check that out in the description below. I still am bullish long-term on drip. Still got this second account that I'm simply compounding on. We're going to continue to do that. And yeah, you guys, appreciate you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.